How is everyone doing? Adam here from Dirty Paws Gold Adventures. So I was going through my barn. I found this little tub. I think it's when I was trying to create a little different pay dirt earlier. Not sure what's in it or if it even ever got seeded with gold, but I gotta figure out somehow. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking this and just passing it only through an 1/8 of an inch strainer. And once I get this done, I will run the 1/8 of the inch material through here, my little cleanup sluice. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back for that. Now that we've classified the material through the 1/8 of an inch screen, everything that is 1/8 of an inch or less is in the tub here, which I've completely wet down and put a little bit of jet tri in. So from there, we're going to be going into the cleanup sluice here. So what I have right here at the bottom is one slab of the hog mat downdraft. Up here is the Bedrock 2.0 hybrid, and then up here is the Dream Mat micro mat. So yeah, let's get this material ran. Alright guys, so we finished running the stuff. Time to come over here. We're gonna slowly turn down the flow. Then we're gonna disconnect the pump. Come over here and check the mats out. So at the bottom here is some of the hog mat downdraft mat. Right above that here, I have the Bedrock 2.0 hybrid mat. It's got those little deeper riffles there that hold. You can see they exchanged pretty good, but still held some of the lights. And then you come up here, this is the Dream Mat micro mat. So yeah, let's scan up this, see if we see anything. Oh yeah. Look right there, see a few pieces of gold, and then up in there, see if we can get more light into it. And there's some gold chunks that got caught up top. Alright, got the light a little bit better. You guys can see definitely in the top cells there's quite a bit of gold that was caught. I almost see nothing down here on the mat. Alright, let's get these mats removed, rinsed, and cleaned up. Here's all the cons that we were left in the cleanup sluice. So let's get this pan down, see what we've got. Alright, let's backhand this and see what we've got. That up in there. That's just beautiful.